Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about the power of PPC and broad match keywords. Let's get into it. Let's talk about the power of PPC and especially the role of broad match keywords in a successful product launch strategy on Amazon. When a product is launched without any PPC support, it often goes unnoticed. No matter how strong your listing is or how optimized your SEO might be, without visibility, it's incredibly difficult to gain traction. PPC provides that much needed visibility, putting your product directly in front of the right audience. But it's not just about launching with PPC. Interruptions in your PPC campaigns can also have serious consequences. Whether it's due to account payment issues, going out of stock, or any other interruption, the results can be damaging. Rankings drop, conversions dip, and your ACOS usually spikes. Rebuilding your momentum after such interruptions takes time, sometimes weeks. That's why many sellers prefer to raise prices to slow down sales rather than go completely out of stock. During a launch, using broad match and auto campaigns strategically can deliver impressive results. Around 80% of the PPC budget during a launch can be allocated to these types because they help uncover valuable keyword opportunities that wouldn't surface with exact match alone. Yes, they do require regular monitoring and negating irrelevant terms. That's part of the process. But they also unlock keyword insights that can enhance your listing's performance, update your copy, and even inform packaging decisions. A common mistake sellers make is prematurely shutting down keywords that are performing well in broad or auto campaigns. If a keyword is driving conversions through a broad match or auto ad group, it's often better to leave it running. It may sound counterintuitive, but adding that same keyword into an exact match campaign and then turning off the broad version doesn't always yield better results. In many cases, the broad or auto version will continue performing with a better ACOS simply because of lower competition. This happens because exact match campaigns have become the standard approach. Many sellers bid aggressively on those exact matches, which drives up the cost per click. In contrast, broad match campaigns often operate in less competitive spaces, giving Amazon more freedom to serve your ads at better rates. This can result in lower ACOS and higher conversion rates, especially if the keywords align well with customer intent. For example, there was a product launch for a Mother's Day gift box where most of the budget, around $88,000, was funneled into a broad match campaign targeting keywords like gifts for mom. The result? The product ranked #1 organically for that term right before the holiday, all driven by consistent broad match performance. Of course, there are more advanced techniques like using bid modifiers, day parting, or targeting top-of-search placements. These can be useful, but they often lose effectiveness over time as they become common strategies. Instead, focusing on broad match and auto campaigns during your launch phase can help build a strong foundation that continues to deliver long-term results. The takeaway here is simple. Don't underestimate the value of broad match. It's an underrated but extremely powerful strategy, especially in the launch phase. With consistent monitoring and adjustments, it can help uncover valuable keywords, improve your listing performance, and lead to stronger rankings and conversions. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.